Light and airy, this espresso chocolate mousse is also rich, velvety, and intensely chocolate. Made with just 5 ingredients: chocolate, vanilla, espresso, cream, and eggs. It's quick and easy. To begin, prepare an ice bath in a large bowl and set that aside. To a medium saucepan, set over medium heat, add 2 inches of water and bring to a simmer. While the water is simmering, in a medium heat-proof bowl, add the chocolate, espresso, and butter. Stir until the chocolate is melted and the mixture is smooth. This might take a few minutes, but once the chocolate mixture is smooth, you want to remove the bowl from the heat and set that aside. To make the custard, in a medium heat-proof mixing bowl, whisk the egg yolks and sugar together until smooth. It should take about 5 minutes if mixing by hand, but you can also speed up the process by using a hand mixer, and that should take about 3 to 4 minutes. The mixture should turn from bright yellow to a lighter pale white color. Next, in a medium saucepan set over medium heat, you want to bring to a simmer 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and a dash of vanilla, stirring it occasionally and making sure that it doesn't boil. Next, we're going to temper the yolks by slowly adding the warm cream mixture into the yolks mixture, 1 ladle at a time, whisking continuously. When about a third of the cream mixture has been added to the yolks, pour the warm yolk mixture back into the saucepan with the rest of the cream and return to the stove over medium heat. We're going to cook the cream by stirring it constantly until the mixture thickens and reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer, making sure not to allow the mixture to boil. Pour the chocolate mixture into the egg mixture and slowly whisk until smooth. Keep whisking until the chocolate swirls turn from light brown to dark. As far as the kind of chocolate to use, it's important to use the best quality chocolate since this recipe has very few ingredients. I prefer bittersweet chocolate, which has a darker color, more bitter taste, and contains more cocoa mass than semi-sweet chocolate. It works well in recipes where the deep chocolate flavor is necessary, like chocolate mousse. However, if you like your chocolate sweeter, use semi-sweet. Next, strain the combined mixture through a fine mesh strainer into a clean medium bowl over an ice bath, stirring until the mixture is cool and thick. Cover the surface with plastic wrap and refrigerate until ready to use. Now to make the whipped cream. Using a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, add to the bowl the remaining cold heavy whipping cream. You want to whisk at medium-high speed for about 2 minutes until you see soft peaks form, but don't walk away. It only takes a couple of minutes, but it's only a few seconds between soft whipped cream and overmixed whipped cream. Now, if you accidentally overmix the cream and it looks curdled and heavy, pour in a little bit more heavy whipping cream and fold it in gently with a spatula until it smooths out. It should be foamy but have soft peaks. Once you're done with the whipped cream, you want to reserve half a cup of the whipped cream for garnish and cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate. Now this is where the whipped cream and the chocolate mixture comes together. You want to gently fold the cream into the chocolate mixture, making sure that the chocolate mixture is cooled. Continue folding just until the last streak of white disappears. It's okay if there are a few lumps of whites left. It's better to not deflate the batter by folding it too much. Divide the mousse between 4 individual ramekins and chill until set for at least 2 hours. So chocolate mousse can be enjoyed all on its own, but it also pairs really well with various toppings like chocolate shavings or fresh raspberries, and of course a dollop of fresh whipped cream. And because the mousse develops an even deeper flavor over time, it's perfect for parties. You can make it up to 3 days ahead of time and serve it straight from the refrigerator. And there you have it, a rich and velvety chocolate mousse that's also simple and satisfying. Thank you for tuning in and joining me in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!